The Trump administration is facing criticisms on its approach to the deportations as the Supreme Court rules to halt them. That story tops 2 News Nevada at 5. Good evening, I'm Jessica McLean. Thank you for joining us. In the latest judicial ruling over deportation issues, today the Supreme Court told the Trump administration to halt deportations of Venezuelan men currently being held in detention centers in North Texas until further notice. Christian Benavides has more.
The Supreme Court told the Trump administration early Saturday not to take any action to deport Venezuelan men it alleges are gang members, effectively hitting the pause button on deportations within the jurisdiction of the Northern District of Texas. In a brief order, the court directed the Trump administration not to remove Venezuelans held in Texas' Blue Bonnet Detention Center until further order from the court. Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito dissented. The court acted overnight following an emergency appeal from the ACLU. The Trump administration is expected to return to the Supreme Court quickly in order to persuade the justices to lift the order. This comes amidst ongoing criticism from the Trump administration's approach to deportations. On Friday, Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen met with Kilmar Abrego Garcia, the Maryland man who was mistakenly deported to a prison in El Salvador in what Justice Department officials have called a clerical error.
Depriving Kilmar of his constitutional rights is a threat to everybody who resides in America. He had not heard that. I believe that gave him additional strength.
The Supreme Court ruled earlier this month that the Trump administration must take action to facilitate Abrego Garcia's release. But the Trump administration now maintains Abrego Garcia will never return to the U.S. Van Hollen and a growing number of civil rights advocates are lobbying for Garcia's safe return.
The White House and the president have been lying about this case from the beginning.
Since March 15th, the Trump administration has sent 5 flights of deportees to El Salvador under a deal with its president to imprison detainees the Trump administration believes to be part of criminal gangs. Christian Benavides, CBS News, Miami.